Good evening, children. Welcome back to our SAT class. Today we are dealing with polynomials. What do you mean by polynomials? Poly means many. When I say many, how many? Two or more, or even one also. One monomial, two binomial, three trinomial, and so on. Nomials means terms. Something which has many terms, an expression which has many terms is called as polynomial. One term monomial, two terms binomials, three terms trinomials, and so on, like that. Okay, children? So therefore, polynomials means it has certain number of terms in it. Okay, an expression which has certain number of terms. So now it could be finding out factors or anything. He may ask you to find out the values or whatever it is, how it varies and all these things. So for a polynomial p of x, the value of p of minus 3 is 5. Which of the following must be true about p of x? X minus 8 is a factor of p of x, x plus 5 is a factor of p of x, x minus 5 is a factor of p of x, and x plus 3, the remainder when p of x is divided by x plus 3 is 5. You see, polynomial p of x, the value of p of minus 3 is 5. So f of x is a polynomial, remainder is f of a if it is divided by x minus a. So if it is divided by x plus 3, if you take x plus 3 is 0, x is minus 3. So remainder is p of minus 3, which is 5. That's what he says or not. Therefore answer is option D. Option is answer is option D. That means if x plus 3 with whatever polynomial you are dividing, if that you equate to 0, means if you equate x plus 3 to 0, you will get x equal to minus 3. If f of x is a polynomial, then remainder is f of a if it is divided by x minus a. But here it is divided by x plus 3 and the polynomial is p of x, so remainder is p of minus 3, which is given as 5. So remainder is p of 5 when divided by x plus 3, because x equal to minus 3, so x plus 3 is 0. Therefore option D satisfies. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. Right, children? So I think you have understood this. So you just need to note it or take screenshot of it. Quick, children. Let us not waste more time. See, then from where I am using this remainder theorem, children? What does remainder theorem says? If you divide f of x by x minus a, then the remainder is f of a. That is what we have done, where f of x is a polynomial of nth degree or whatever you call it as. Right, children? So that's what we have done. I have used remainder theorem. So now next question. H of x is this. If the polynomial h of x defined above, c is a constant. C is a constant. If h of x is divisible by x, what is the value of c? What is the value of c? So x means what? X equal to 0 is one of the value. Okay. Divisible means remainder is 0. So divisible by x means x minus 0 equal to 0, x equal to 0. So h of 0 equal to 0, remainder is 0. Divisible means remainder is 0. Therefore h of 0 equal to 0. Therefore what is it? You will get 2 into 0 minus 0 plus 3 plus 7 into c equal to 0. So now 7c equal to minus 6. C equal to minus 6 by 7. So which option you have? You have option A. Right, children? So please note it fast, quick. Sorry, this is minus 2, no? So minus 6. So this becomes plus 6. So option is C, not A. Please note it fast, children, quick. Right, children? I think you have done it. So we will go to the next question. Look at this. How many times does the graph of p of x equal this cross x-axis? See, any graph crosses x-axis maximum number of times is equal to the power of that or exponent of that polynomial. So, exponent is 3. So, maximum times it can cross x-axis is 3 times. Maximum number of times it can cross is 3 times. So, then it can be minimum can be even 0, or that means it may not at all cut x-axis or whatever it is, it does not matter. Okay. Now, let us see what is that happens. So, now you divide this by, means in place of x you write minus 2. In place of x you write minus 2, you see whether you will get 0 as the remainder or not. So, that means when you divide it by x plus 2, means x plus 2 equals 0, so x equal to minus 2. So, take factors for this, minus 2, 1, 1, minus 1, 2. That is what we have shown there. I am repeating same thing. Whatever it is, we will start with 0 or not? We will start with 0. So, 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, add these two, you will get 1. 1 plus of minus 2 is minus 1. Again this into this, minus 1 into 2 is plus 2, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, answer is 0. Therefore, remainder is 0 means x plus 2 is a factor, x plus 2 is a factor. If you divide this by x plus 2, you are getting this as x square minus x plus 1. You are left over with x square minus x plus 1. That is what I am saying. Now, does x square minus x plus 1 has factors or not? So, for that you find out discriminant which is imaginary. So, that means it has no more real roots, means it will cut x axis only once, because only one value we are getting or not, x equal minus 2. Next we are getting imaginary values. So, it should cut x axis only once, right children, because only this is the value which is satisfying. The other values are imaginary values here, the other values are imaginary. So, they are not real roots, therefore, it cuts x axis only once children. So, therefore, option B satisfies. Quick. So, right children, let us go to the next question. So, of course, how did you get minus 2 means it is trial and error method. We need to guess plus 1 minus 1, plus 2 minus 2. If suppose coefficient of x cube is 2, so I can check half, minus half. Of course, if x cube quotient is minus, then I could check negative values also, like that. So, half, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, such values also can be taken. But again 5 by 2 if you take 125 will get, if you take 3 by 2 27 will get. So, there is no such value. So, therefore, only it should be 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 like that. If it is quotient of this is 2, something like that. So, we have to see what are the values, based on that we need to divide or take the values. Okay. So, but how do you get it means ideas, trial and error only, there is no particular way of doing it. So, x minus 2 and x plus 2 are factors of this, then which of the following is not a 0 of polynomial? See children, first x minus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to 2. So, first we will divide x power 4 quotient 1, x power 3 quotient 0, x power 2 coefficient 5, x quotient 0, constant minus 36 means we have to have x power 4, x cube, x square, x constant. If anything is missing, we will write 0. So, x equal to 2 is, x minus 2 is 0 means x equal to 2, because he said x minus 2 is a factor. So, I will take x minus 2 is 0. So, always we should start with 0 or not. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 2s are 2. 0 into 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 2s, 18. 0 plus 18 is 18. 18 2s, 36. So, you got this. Next is what? X plus 2 is 0. X plus 2 is 0 means x is minus 2. So, I will take minus 2 here. So, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 2 plus of minus 2 is 0. 0 into minus 2 is 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 into minus 2 is minus 18. So, answer is 0. Therefore, we got two values as the factors. Therefore, we have divided, we are getting this answer as, see, x power 4 becomes x cube. X cube becomes x square. So, x square plus 9 you will get. 0 into x, not there. So, therefore, x square plus 9, there are no real roots, they have only complex roots. So, which of the following is not a root of this, he says, not a 0 of this. 2 already we have, here we have already 2. See, x square plus 9 is 0 means x square is 9 minus 9, x is plus or minus root of minus 9, that is plus or minus 3i. So, you have 3i, you have minus 3i, you have 2. So, only the root that is not possible is 1, right children? So, look at that, that is what we have done. So, the only root that is not possible is 1, that is what I explained here, please note it fast, quick. Okay children, I think I have given enough time for you to copy, and if you have any doubts you can ask me for clarification. Don't feel shy to ask questions, don't keep doubts in your mind. Your December 5th you have SAT exam, not 6th. Today I have checked the dates. December 5th itself you have SAT exam. So you have to prepare. There is no alternative. You have to prepare because getting 800 out of 800 in maths is easy. I am repeatedly using this sentence. Please take it seriously to your brain. If you can get into this with 1500 or plus score, so believe me, your life is settled. So please work for it. Then second phase will work for JEE Mains, Advanced and all those, so that you can write your subjective SAT, ACT subjective and APs and JEE Mains and all these etc., whatever you can along with intermediate. So first target for us is SAT. You need to get score of 1500 or more, then your life is settled. So please be serious on this. And somebody is looking for NDA, even for NDA we are going to work. All these are common platforms. So one exam you prepare, all others are covered inside it, right children? So only thing is we need techniques and patterns to be changed, methodologies to be changed. That is our job, not your job. Okay, let's go to the next question. Which of the following is equivalent to this? So I need to divide this by this. So I'll get some quotient plus remainder by divisor. So x square plus 2x plus 1, everywhere divisor is same. So remainder is this or not is important. Which is the remainder is important. So therefore you divide numerator by denominator. You see, x square into 3x square is 3x power 4. So 3x power 4, you will get it like this. 3x power 4, 2x into 3x square is 6x square, 1 into 3x square is plus 3x square. So you change the signs, minus, minus, minus. These two gets cancelled. You are getting 1 minus 6 is minus 5, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, x plus 8 as it is. Now x square into minus 5x is minus 5x cube. So look at this, minus 5x cube. 2x into minus 5x is minus 10x. 2x into 5 is plus 10x. 10x is over. So 2x into 5 is 10x over. 5x square into x square into minus 5x is minus 5x cube. X square plus 2x into minus 5x is minus 10x plus 1 into 5 is 5. Yeah, this is the mistake we have done. So I am checking in the first places, but mistake is at the last place. So now if you subtract plus, plus, minus. So 5 minus 5 plus 10 is 5x square. Is it 5x? Yeah, 2 5's. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5x. This is minus 5x. This is 10x square. So this is minus 5 plus 10 is 5x square. 1 minus of, if it is 1, minus becomes plus, so x plus 5x is 6x plus 8. So x square into plus 5 is 5x square. So 5x square plus 10x plus 5. So sign change. So this gets cancelled. 6 minus 10 minus 4. 8 minus 5 3. So remainder is minus 4x plus 3. So the question should be, answer should be quotient plus remainder by divisor. So that is there in option D maybe. Yeah, this is the thing. So children, first take the screenshot of it. Next we will take the solution. First take screenshot of this. Second page you can write, but first page you take screenshot. Okay, this page you can copy, children. I have solved it, so please note it fast, quick. Okay children, let us go to the next question. So here all these values are there as it is. So this is the final step. Okay children, let us go to the next question. Which of the following polynomials could produce a graph that looks like one below? So this is the graph. Which of the following polynomials could produce a graph that looks like the below? So now children, let us look at these values. That is -1. If I am right, this is -1 and this is 1. Values are not clearly seen, but anyway, I am trying to write this -2, -3 and so on. So when x is -1, it is 0. When x is 1 also it is 0. When x is 2 also it is 0. So 3 points it is 0. So here it is 2 values because it is touching, no? So x equal to 1 means x minus 1 whole square you should get. See, already we have done in quadratic equations. When it is cutting x-axis, it is only one value. If it is touching x-axis, it is two values. If it is cutting, one value. So x equal to -1 implies x plus 1. X plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1. Then x equal to 1 2 times. 2 times. So x minus 1 whole square. Then x equal to 2 one time. X minus 2 you will get. So what is the final answer? X plus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 1 whole square. X equal to means x minus 2. So these are the factors you are getting. So just look at that. Which is that equation you have? X plus 1, x equal to means x minus 2, x minus 1 whole square, x plus 1. So x minus 2 should be there. So now it is an increasing function, it is rising like this and falling, rising, falling. Rising, falling, rising, falling. Okay children? It should be, see, if it is the curve is like this, A is positive. If the curve is like this, A is negative. This is moving up and falling down. So A is negative. So it should have minus sign. So option A satisfies the curve. Option A satisfies. But the only difference is it should be -2. It is not +2 children. So why minus sign I explained. Always if a curve is like this, A value means coefficient of highest power should be minus. If it is this type of curve, coefficient of highest power is positive. So as it is rising up and falling down, highest power quotient should be minus sign. So I have taken minus sign. X equal to -1 means x plus 1. X equal to 1 2 times because it is only touching. So x minus 1 whole square. X equal to 2 means x minus 2. So this is the function. So option A. Okay children. So that is explained here. That is explained here. So but anyway I have already explained here on the left side. So please note it fast, quick. So right children, so let us go to the next question. Yeah, which of the following statements are true about the graph y equal to 1 by x square? Y equal to 1 by x square. The graph is tangent to x-axis. The graph is tangent to x-axis. The graph has horizontal and vertical asymptotes. The graph never crosses x-axis or y-axis. Okay, so if it crosses x-axis, it should first let us see. 1 is false. Why? The y value can never be 0, because when y is 0, x is undefined. So look at that. The graph is tangent to x-axis, means it touches x-axis somewhere. So if it touches, then x value, at that place y will become 0. If y is 0, x is undefined, which is not possible. So now second one, what is that second one we are saying? It is true, the graph has horizontal asymptotes y equal to 0 and a vertical asymptote x equal to 0. So asymptotes we did not cover, but it is there in the syllabus. You can take direct values, this one. And 3 is also true, because x value cannot be 0, because graph is undefined at x equal to 0. So if you look at this, 1 is false, 2 is right, and 3 is also right, because it crosses x-axis, means x is equal to 0, like that. So which options? 1 is wrong, 2 is right, 3 is right. So 2 and 3 are right. So option C is there. Right children? So please note it fast, quick children. Right children, go to the next page. This is the thing, please note it fast, quick. Okay, so let's go to the next question. See, in the xy plane, the graph of function f has x-intercept at -7, -5 and 5. Which of the following could define f? See, x equal to -7, this we have already discussed. When it is given like this, implies x plus 7 equal to 0, or x plus 7 is a factor. X equal to -5 implies x plus 5 is a factor. X equal to 5 implies x minus 5 is a factor. So that means x plus 7 into x plus 5 into x minus 5. X plus 5 into x minus 5 is x square minus 25. You see, x plus 7, x plus 5, x minus 5. So these three are the factors. So multiply 3, x plus 7 into x plus 5 into x minus 5. X plus 5 into x minus 5 is x square minus 25, a square minus b square form. So the answer should be x plus 7 into x square minus 25. Which of the options you have? C. Right children, please note it fast. Please note it fast, quick. Okay children, let us go to the next question. If function f has 4 distinct zeros, which of the following could represent the complete graph of f in the xy plane? 4 zeros means it should cut x-axis 4 times. It should cut x-axis 4 times. How many times this is cutting? 1, 2, 3. Not the answer, because it has 4 distinct zeros, he said. Here how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Here we have 2. 5. Not the answer. Whenever it touches, we will take 2 values there. 1, 2. Not the answer. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not the answer. None of them you are getting. So if the function f has 4 distinct zeros, which of the following could represent the complete graph of f? In the xy plane? But b cannot be 4, so this is wrong. Question is wrong, because it should, if it is touching, we will take it as 2 values. If it touches, it has 2 values at that. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has only 2. So none of them. Answer is none of them, children. Please don't take wrong answers. There is some mistake in the question. Anyway, we will not bother. We will take the right senses only. So it should have 5 roots. So there is no graph which is giving 5 roots. Okay, children. So if this would have ended here, then D could have been the answer. If this would have ended here, right, children? But this did not end here. It is moving up again, so it is not the answer, right? So there is no answer for this question. Options are wrong. Let's go to the next question, children. B he says. What is B? No, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that has 2 values. Leave it. So now next question. If minus 1 and 1 are 2 real roots of the polynomial, this one, and 0, 3 is the y-intercept of the graph, what is the value of b? So simple, children. F of minus 1 is 0. Then next, f of 1 is also 0. Real roots, he said. Then next, 0, 3 means f of 0 equal to 3. So now we should find out value of b. If these are roots, f of those values will be 0, because remainder is 0. So now that means, because they should be factors, they should be able to divide, so remainder is 0. So now f of minus 1, what is f of minus 1? Minus a plus b minus c plus d equal to 0. So b plus d equal to a plus c, or we will keep it this only as it is. Okay, children. Let us call it as 1. F of 1 is 0, means a plus b plus c plus d equal to 0. This is 2. Then next, f of 0 equal to 3. F of 0 means d equal to 3. This is d equal to 3. That is equation number 3. F of 0 equal to 3. So now d equal to 3 we will write in the first case, but if you add 1 plus 2, implies 2b plus 2d equal to 0. 2b equal to minus 2d. b equal to minus d. b equal to minus d means minus 3. We know we want to find value of b, so we are getting it as minus 3. So option is 1, A. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. See, we will get this first equation because of this. Because of this we will get this. Because of this we will get this. So therefore 1 plus 2 I have taken. Please note it fast, children. Right, children? So let us go to the next question. Anyway, these all whatever we have done is here. There is nothing new, but still I have shown it. So this continuation is here. Whatever we have done, it is shown here. So we get b equal to minus 3. This all I have done here itself. Right, children? So if you have noted this, the next page is also covered. But still you are trying to take screenshots. Please note it. I will give you some time for second page also. Yeah, please note it fast. Screenshots if you are taking, you will have that values there. Okay, so let us go to the next page. X cube minus 8x square plus 3x minus 24 equals 0. For what real values of x the equation above is true. So you need to substitute values of x as 6, 8, 10, 9 and c where it will become 0. But instead of that we can also take factors. You see here I will take x square common, here I will take 3 common. Okay. So x square if you take common it becomes x minus 8, you take 3 common you will get x minus 8. Take x minus 8 common, so x minus 8 equal to 0, so x equal to 8. So you have one of the roots. So x square plus 3 is 0, x becomes complex, x becomes complex. So you cannot take this, so only x equal to 8 is the solution. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. Quick, children. Yeah, children, what is that I told? In case you don't get this idea, substitute the values and see. Wherever it becomes 0, that is the accepted value. Right, children? So let us go to the next question. If the graph of f of x this intersects the x-axis at half comma 0 and minus 2 comma k lies on the graph of f, what is the value of k? So if you substitute x is minus 2, y should be k. X is minus 2, y should be k. But before that you substitute x is half y to 0, you will get value of b. Then you know value of b, then substitute x is minus 2, y will be equal to k and you will get the value of k. Look at this. So f of half is 0. So 2 into 1 by 8 plus b into 1 by 4 plus 4 by 2 minus 4 is 0 and f of half is 0. Okay. So therefore you will get b value as 7. B value as 7. So f of x is 2x cube plus 7x square plus 4x minus 4. Minus 2 comma k also lies on the graph. So in place of x I'll write minus 2, y is k, you'll get value of k. So k minus 2 comma k lies on graph. So k equal to x is minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus b is we got it as 7 into minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 and minus 4, right children? So k equal to minus 8 into 2 is minus 16, 4 sevens 28, minus 8 minus 4. Minus 16 minus 8 is minus 24, minus 4 is minus 28, plus 28 is 0. K equal to 0. Option C you have. Continuation of this I have done here. Right children, please note it fast, quick. So right children, we will go to the next question. Of course, this is all we have already proved. Excuse me. So now P of x is minus 2x cube plus 4x square minus 10x. Q of x is this, are two polynomials, and as defined above, which of the following polynomials is divisible by x minus 1? P of x minus half Q of x. So first of all, we should find out what is f of x, what is g of x, what is h of x, what is k of x, and then see whether they are really divisible by x minus 1 or not. So for these two, if you find out greatest common factor, you will be getting it as P of x is minus 2x into this, that is equal minus 2x into Q of x. Minus 2x, P of x is minus 2x into Q of x. So A, option A, we will take this, find out this. So you will get minus 2x minus half into Q of x. So now whether x equal to 1 is a factor or not here, so it is not a factor because x minus 1 should be there. So now next option B you check, half P, minus half P of x minus Q of x. So this if you take common, minus half into minus 2x Q of x minus Q of x. So 2 gets cancelled, plus x into Q of x minus this. So x minus 1 into Q of x you will get. Option B, you are getting x minus 1. So x equal to 1 is a factor. X equal to 1 is a factor, is the root. So x minus 1 is a factor. So that is, this function is divisible by x minus 1. So first, what is that we have done children? So we have tried to factorize P of x and brought it into Q of x. If I take minus 2x common, you are getting into this, this is nothing but Q of x. So P of x is minus 2x into Q of x. So option A is there where we have said P of x minus half Q of x. So P of x is minus 2x into Q of x minus this as it is. Take Q of x common, you will get this, where x minus 1 is not there, so it is not a factor. So next second bit you take, this is given, minus half P of x is minus 2x into Q of x, that we have replaced, Q of x as it is. So 2 gets cancelled, you are getting x minus 1 into Q of x. So there is a factor called as x minus 1 here. Therefore answer is option B children. Okay, please note it fast. Clear. So take the first page first, sorry. Yeah, please note it fast. Okay children, let us go to the next page. This is the thing. I think everyone has followed what we have done. We are getting x minus 1 as a factor, so we are taking that as the option. Please note it fast, quick. Quick, children. Right, children, let us go to the next question. Which of the following statements is not true? The quotient of two polynomials is a polynomial. The quotient of two polynomials is a polynomial, true. The product of a constant and a polynomial is a polynomial, that is also true. This is simple imagination, children. The degree of polynomial is simplified in simplified form is the highest power of which the variable is raised in the expression. That is right. The degree of a constant other than 0 polynomial is 0, constant polynomial. So now examples, we are showing examples. Look at this. In general, dividing one polynomial by another will result in an expression involving a term in which the variable is raised to a negative power. For instance, the quotient of even the very simple polynomials 3 and x square is 3 by x square, which is 3x power minus 2, which is not a polynomial. I think, children, you understood, you might be understanding. See here, the quotient of two polynomials is a polynomial, he said. When he said that, see, if this has to be true, the divisor should have a lower power. The dividend should have the greater power, like this. If this is the case, here you will get a polynomial x plus something like this. Okay, clear, children? So, but this is not possible every time, like plus 4, whatever it is, I don't know, I am not sure which is the correct function. Let us write a correct function. So, x square plus 3x minus 4 if you take. So, now you will have x minus 1 as a factor. So, this has x minus 1 as a factor, so you will get it as x plus 4, that is all. So, now this is a polynomial, but if same thing it is x cube here and here it is x, then it is 1 by x square. So, that means this is not a polynomial. So, therefore, this stands good because it is not always true. This is conditionally true, right, children? So, please note it fast. So, option is A. Examples are there on the board. Please note it fast, quick. See, children, this is little trickish question. Initially, first when we read, we felt that is true, but we did not think of the case, right, children? So, these are very important. Option D you have followed. So, if it is 2, 2 can be written as 2 into x power 0 like this. So, therefore, that is also right. Only option A is wrong. Not always true. Not wrong, but not always true. Conditionally true. That is all. Okay, children. Please note it fast, quick. So, let us go to the next question, children. Factor out the GCF of this. So, now, is there anything that you can take common in all the three? Can you take anything common, children? Yes. This is the common you can take from every term. 4x cube y square. So, now look at this, 4x cube y square. 4x cube y square you can take common into x minus 9. Here you see 4x cube y square, 4x cube y square, 4x cube y square you have. And x minus 9 whole power 1 is the one which you can take common. So if you take that 4x cube y square into x minus 9 common, the rest of the terms are this. If you expand it, 2x square minus 18x minus 4y cube into x square minus 18x plus 81 minus 3x square y. So this you further simplify, you will get it like this. So answer is this. So which option you have? You have option A. This is the common we have taken. This is the common thing which we have taken. So you need to take that common, then you will get that answer. Please note it fast, children. First take this page, then to the next page. This is very simple. Nothing we have done except for taking whatever possible as common. Okay, please note this first page, quick. Copy it, children, quick. We will go to the next page. Okay, children, let us go to the next page. This is the simplified form. Quick, children. So, right, children, let us go to the next question. Factor completely this. So, children, what is that you can take common? Here you have 3, here you have 3, here you have 3. 6 you don't have. So, only maximum numerically you can take common is 3. X square is the highest power you can take common. So, you take 3x square or minus 3x square. Beside highest power you will get plus sign. So, 9x square minus 9x plus 2. Can you further break it into factors? 9 2s 18. 9 2s 18 plus 18. Plus 18 can be minus 6 into minus 3. So, further we are breaking into factors. So, take minus 3x square as it is. If you take 3x common here from 9x square minus 6x minus 3x plus 2, you take 3x common here, you will get 3x minus 2 minus 1 common 3x minus 2. Take 3x minus 2 common, you will get 3x minus 1. So, that means minus 3x square into 3x minus 1 into 3x minus 2. Check which of these options have that. Option B. Option B. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. Okay, children, so this is what we have to do today. For today, we will continue tomorrow again, in the next class again. Thank you, but once again I am telling you, children, we are nearing the exam. Your target is 1500 plus in your SAT exam. Luckily, you have a lot of time for your IPE, JEE mains and other exams, IIT, JEE and other things. So, we are least bothered of that at this stage. I want you to focus totally on SAT till your December 5th exam. We will update you on which is the last date that you need to pay the fee, and afterwards we will follow up, we will guide you like how to get seats, how to apply, writing an essay for you, everything, whatever is there that is required for to take you to those universities, it is our responsibility. You don't bother about any of those things. Creating, trying to create, I cannot say creating scholarships, but trying to get scholarships for you, what are activities that are needed for that, all that is our job. So, you just follow the instructions that we are giving, we will take you to greater heights provided you work. If you don't work, we are helpless. So, therefore, please work, we are there to take you to the greater heights and guide you in the proper way. So, December 5th is your next target. So therefore, you need to prepare for December 5th from now onwards. Please don't waste time. Moving with friends, wasting time here and there is not at all needed. 3 months time you give to me, and we'll give you your future. Right, children? Give us 3 months, future is yours. When I say give your 3 months, I'm talking full, not part. Next, you have other ambitions. We'll work for that. First ambition is this. Let us complete this, then go to the next one. So we need to work on. Right, children? All the best and have great time.